For me, makeup is not about looking like a different person, but it's really about accentuating the beautiful features that you already have. Today, I'm gonna do a daily quarantine makeup look. I am not a makeup guru nor a makeup professional, so literally this is for people that just want to have an easy, simple, go-to type of look. I literally don't even use makeup brushes. I only use one, and that's gonna be for like when I apply bronzer, but literally I don't use any makeup, not even for my eyeshadow. I just use my fingers, what God has given me. The type of makeup I usually like to do is simple, easy, that doesn't require a lot. If that sounds like anything that you would be interested in watching, then this is for you. So if you want to know how I do my daily makeup, keep watching. This is my bare face. I can't go back now. I put it out there, so this is it. I actually usually start off by moisturizing my lips. I use the Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15. So I use this. It's a sample size. It's like super small, but I love it. It actually does keep my lips like very moisturized. So I use that first, and I apply that first before I start like my face and stuff. For my skin, I actually use a cushion. I'm using the Dear Dahlia. It's the Blooming Edition, and it's in Peach Ivory. So I just do these type of things. In my normal makeup routine, I actually use the Chongsimmer Essential Nuder Cushion. This just stays on longer. I've never had to reapply like ever. It's really long lasting. So I always usually use this. It's because we're in quarantine, I'm using this. I have, like hair on my face. I'm just gonna put these things. I've never actually used these before, but maybe, okay, cool. So I look kind of weird, crazy. Woo, just put these on and then just, so I don't know where I've heard this before, but I heard that you just like kind of pound your skin with the cushion. I just keep pounding. I'm not a makeup professional, so you know, people just hit your face with the cushion. Just like get that product in there. Get that product in there. If you're really in there, make sure it's really in there. Okay, I think I'm done. So I now go into my eyeshadow. I'm using this palette. Use the color Nectarine. This is where it gets really easy and affordable because I don't really use makeup brushes. I just kind of use my finger. So, and I know a lot of like probably makeup pros are probably like would never, but like this is easy. It's you know, it's easy, it's nice. You just kind of put on my eyelid. Yeah, and just spread it, blend it with my finger. So just like put it on my eyelid. Just put it on my eyelid. Oh God. This is, okay. So yeah, and then just put it on my eyelid. Like, look, it's like, you know, it's blended, you know, all that stuff. And then I kind of bring it down a little bit with my finger again. So like I usually, when I bring it down, I usually kind of like go like this. Because then I see my bags. Gotta accentuate what you got, you know? But yeah, I usually just go in and like, you see my bag right here? I just kind of put it like underneath, kind of outlining a little bit like that. That's usually how I do it. So after that, I take Burnt right here. I look ridiculous with these like weird things on, but I mean, no, looks kind of ridiculous, but it works. And just kind of go in the corner, like right here. Like I don't do all of it, just the corner, and then just kind of bring it down just a little bit at the end, like right here. Yeah. Wow. Wow, okay. And so done with my eyeshadow now. So next is my eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner in black. Oh, sorry, Trooper Black. And this is like a sample size, which is why it's so small. So yeah. And I usually I don't do my whole eyelid. I just do the outer corners. That's it. Just like the outer corners. So like just like a little bit, like right here. Like just extending it. Like I don't do the whole lid. I just accentuate the ends of my eyes. I just like bring it down to the eyes. Do you see? I don't cover my whole eyelid. I just do the ends right there. After my eyeliner, I go into my eyebrows and I use the Urban Decay Brow Endowed. And this is in Taupe Trap, and yeah, just gonna go in with the primer and just kind of you know, push up my eyebrows a little bit, give my eyebrows a little definition, you know. Go in with the color after I do the primer. Okay. Done. Does it make a difference? I don't know. Done with my brows now. After my eyebrows, I go in with bronzer. So this one actually requires a brush. Just use this brush and just use all three colors and just kind of like whoop. And then I just, you know, sculpt away, and I just go in and just sculpt away. Give me that sharp jawline, you know what I mean? Just like sculpting it. I could actually do it here. Just use all of it and just kind of sculpt away. Yeah, I really just like sculpt. This is probably not professional at all, but you know, this is just how I do makeup. Just kind of give myself that sharp V line. Okay. Whoa, sculpted. After that, I am now going to do my blush. Okay. I'm using Dear Dahlia. It is in Ballet. And this is just easy to apply because you don't need, you know what I mean? Like, look at me. This looks like, this is kind of funny. This is it, my finished product. There you go. No, I'm just kidding. Just like blend it in. You know, just blend it in with my fingers. So as you notice, so for eyeshadow, some people might be like, oh my god, like you keep using your fingers. Like, is that hygienic? Well, I use my first finger for my eyeshadow and then I use my ring finger for the cream blush. So I just kind of like, you know. Okay, and then this is another tip I do. So you know how usually blush, you keep it here? I've kind of been like putting it a little bit on my nose too, and kind of just like connecting them, kind of like this. Looks kind of weird, but yeah, kind of connect them a little bit, and then yeah, blend it in. So now I'm gonna do my lashes. I am gonna use the Shuamura eyelash curler, and for my mascara, I'm gonna use the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash extensions. This was actually targeted me as an ad on Instagram, and yeah, I bought it because that before and after results were really great. So lashes really make a difference. It really does. So now that I'm done with my lashes, I'm gonna go in with highlighter while my lashes be drying. I'm using the Kaja Mochi Glow and Toy Alien. So it's really pretty, the color. Like, pretty, right? Yeah, and I use my finger as well. So I'm not gonna use my middle finger now. Oop. So I'm gonna use my middle finger for this one. So I just grab it here. And I just like put it down on my under, like right here. Put it right here. And I put some on my nose. Just like lightly on my nose, right here. And then I also put it down here. Start pulling my hair out of this thing. Slowly starting to come together. It's not done yet. So one of my special ingredients that I usually do for my makeup is adding a little bit of sparkle. Is adding a little glitter right under here. I'm using Beige Chew in Glow Peach. This is pretty similar, I think, to a Peri Para version of this like type of glitter shadow. So yeah, you could use either one, but this is the one I use. So I don't actually put it like all around. I just put it like right in the middle, like right here. So just to like, so that like, yeah, just like a little bit. And then I just use my pinky and kind of blend it in the middle. After that, gotta do lips. Using the 3CE plumping lips. Does it actually plump my lips? I don't really think so. I mean, there's kind of like that minty kind of thing, but it really, I really don't see like a huge difference. But I just like the color. I like how glossy it kind of is. But this is in coral. This is in coral. Yeah, just like. So there's that. I like usually having a little bit of a brighter lip, so I am using the Ink Velvet from Peri Para in Stellar Red, or just kidding, Sellout Red, not Stellar Red, Sellout Red. And then I just take it, and then also because I'm not using it like all over my lip, I'm just gonna put like a little dot on it just to like add a little brightness. So I'm just gonna use my finger and just like add it in the inner there. So it's like this. So it just kind of adds a little bit. It's not like intense. There you have it. This is my quarantine makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I don't know, for me, I feel like it's super easy. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you gained something from this. I don't know, because honestly, would I watch myself as a YouTube makeup artist? I don't think I don't think so, but hopefully this has given you some inspiration, or maybe not, and maybe you're just like, whatever, this is like whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Did you enjoy it? Like, did you feel like you gained something from it? Did you learn something? Did you think a product was super cool? Like, I don't know, like, just tell me. Thank you, BOYKYUNG, for recommending this video. If there's any other videos that you guys would like to see me try, let me know in the comments below. I would be down to challenge myself and do something new. So yeah, until then, I will talk to you guys in my next QLOG.